हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जॉब्स विद शुभम। सो आज हम लोग बात करेंगे बहुत ही अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है दोज हु आर लुकिंग फॉर जावा डेवलपर और पाइथन फुल स्टैक डेवलपर। सो यू कैन आल्सो अप्लाई फॉर दिस जॉब। एंड अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ऐसे ही जॉब पोस्ट और रिगार्डिंग के लिए। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। सो दिस इज द पेज ऑफ मीडिया ओशन एंड दे आर हायरिंग फॉर एसोसिएट सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर फॉर डेवलपमेंट फॉर जावा and they are hiring for Pune location. So let's talking about this company. Mediaocean is a mission of critical platform omni-channel advertising with more than 200 billion in the annualized media spend managed through the software. Mediaocean connect brand agency, media technology and data. So you can go and check about this. So what you will do in this, so develop, maintain and unit test Java application and the service, solve complex business and technical problem by following a standard development of the practice, participate in agile activity like sprint planning and technical design review, provide input as appropriate, implement best practice, produce maintain code including usability pattern, code style, integration testing and code review, collaborate with the global engineering product and release team of the necessary. So who we are, so those who have a 0 to 2 year of experience in working in Java backend developer using Java Spring Boot or ORM framework Hibernate. So strong technical expertise in Java 8, Kafka, SQL, REST, and relational database like Oracle. A strong in object-oriented programming and solid design principle. Preferred hands-on experience with PI tools. Was with Scrum Agile delivery methodology. A strong interpersonal and written communication skills are required for this. And how to so they will give for medical the total coverage for the 7 lakhs per year. So the package will be 7 lakh per year. So how to apply for the job? So you have to just apply for the job. So this page will open. So this is a very simple process. You can go and check about this. And we will do next job coming from uh, Mercedes-Benz, and they are hiring for Python full stack developer, and they are hiring from Bangalore location. So let's talking about the roles and responsibility. So there will be the application deadline is 70 days left. So before that you have to apply for this. So collaborate with the different team of understand and modify application architecture. Participate in the design of implementation of the software solution that meets business requirement. Write clean, effective, in the code that adheres to established coding standard. Platform code review and ensure the quality of the code is. Participate in the testing, debugging, and troubleshooting of the software application. So requirement is that strong experience with the web and mobile application development like Angular, Django, Kotlin, and Swift. Efficient in using Git and version control and collaborating with the teams. Experience with the relational database such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQL Server. Familiarity with agile development methodology and the service and those who have knowledge of front-end technology like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, so you can also apply knowledge of application-based service like API such as Year Maps or Google Maps. So you have to apply for this one. So this is the those who have a 0 to 2 year of experience. You can also apply. And salary is not disclosed. So once you clear all this down, then they will discuss about your salary package. So how to apply? So you have to just apply for this here. First of all, you have to just log in here, and if you don't have account, then you have to sign in. And after that, you have to register for this. So in this video, we have talked about what is the job description and how to apply. So if you're facing any issue, then you can ask in the comment section. I will help you. So अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Till then, goodbye.